sturdy 30 holds up today, because it's going to be an awesome one. Alright guys, so yesterday was the open house and it was amazing. Huge shout out to Adam and his crew for putting that on. This is such an awesome time for us as, I guess, influencers and people who came. It was amazing, but today is another amazing day. Today we're actually at OSW, about to do some what? Drifting! We got the whole crew here. I'm excited. I'm so happy you two are here, and of course be here and everyone.
Hell yeah,
you jerk. Yeah, you're kind of cool. So like, so I have the E30, of course. This will be the first time really drifting with the S52, which is a big deal. So I'm really excited. That's really the main reason why I brought it, because I wanted to drive that thing after I just engine swapped it. And of course, Grant and Chip are gonna hold down the Chaser, and probably you're gonna drive the 350Z, right?
I think so.
And
we'll see.
Brian's gonna drive 350Z probably, and my E30 is gonna get passed around. Why not? Right?
Yeah.
A lot of tires. So today's gonna be awesome. It's just a little skid pad event, so it's not like crazy exciting track, but it's gonna be a good time because all the boys are here and we're gonna have some fun. And yeah, it's gonna be a great day. So we just set up the cars. We're all freaking tired. Let's go do some test laps, get a feel for it, and get some sick footage.
Well,
I have like the lowest horsepower car here by half. Like,
yeah, pretty much.
But hey, we're gonna keep up with them. And we're gonna show them what this little E30 can do.
Don't follow me on first lap because this car's spinning out a lot. But second lap, if it looks good, you're welcome to hop on.
Okay. Cool.
Woo!
Adam almost took my front end off.
That was scary. That was close, dog.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, that's what sucks about the sedans is when they straighten out, they'll take out a football field with them.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're about to chase a 500 horsepower KAT.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, pretty dope, right?
My boy.
What is this? It's an ocean of smoke.
Holy sugar.
Not bad. It did it again.
Oh, yeah.
That sucks. I don't want to be the like. So when I transition hard, the car like dies, and that's how I got my rear end smacked by the 350Z. I need a surge tank real bad in this thing. It really sucks when like you can't be a lead driver because it's kind of unfair, you know?
Yeah.
Whatever. Well, the fuel starvation issue is still happening, unfortunately. It's like getting worse. I don't know if my fuel pump's getting weaker, but it was one of those issues I didn't think I'd have to fix yet because I didn't think I'd drive it this quick soon, at least like this hard. So we'll get together, kit. We'll figure that out, but at least I can still drive it. It's just fun. I chased through Rudnick, and his car is probably, the funny thing is, Rudnick's car is probably one of the fastest cars here, and it's just, gotta love BMWs. But it's fun just to be out with all the guys, having a good time. And the S52, thing rips.
You doing drugs?
I don't vape anymore, and this is 0.6, and it's like kills your throat.
Can't handle the 0.6.
Dude, 6 months and no vaping, here I am.
I'm gonna tell Courtney. TJ, let's go do some tandems.
I'm trying to look for someone to drive
Let
with.
me chase you.
Way better.
I want to chase someone. See, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, I'll
I'm
drive.
the one who needs practice chasing.
I'll drive Adam's seat.
That should be fine.
Okay.
I would get that.
Yes, please. Let's do that.
Let's see what it is. Alright, so the car keeps dying. It's getting real bad. I chased Chris I chased Chris a few minutes ago, and the car literally almost died on every transition, which really sucked. So, TJ's finally let me chase him. We'll probably just die in the entry, but you know what? I just want that one clip. Just want to say it's with TJ Hunt, man. It just keeps dying too much now. I'm just ruining their footage. It's so stupid, dude. Whatever. Got the chaser for like a lap. Yay! Let's go.
Okay, am I going with him?
Yeah.
Yes. Fuck.
What does that mean? Yes, I get to drive a jzx100. Finally. I heard it's a little weird because like mechanically it's not fully fixed from when it got in an accident, I think. I don't know, but I'm excited. Look at this thing, it's a boat.
Okay. I'm gonna go over this while I do this. Second gear. The car transitions way faster to the left than it does to the right. It's kind of twitchy to the right. You don't have to throw it. It self-steers really well. And you shouldn't have to clutch kick it.
Where's the key?
It should be in the cup holder.
Look how cool this thing is.
Be gentle on my baby.
All the love rules.
I beat the shit out of it.
That's scary.
So it's pitch black, so I get the full Japanese experience.
We're good, dog. Yeah, night toe, guys. All right.
I'm nervous because you guys make it sound like this one's hard to drive.
It's not that easy.
Because you didn't drive it all day, which means that you weren't into it.
Oh, I just don't want to buy tires. So I just did a few laps and was chilling.
I don't blame you.
So just when you enter, just don't let the wheel flop to lock.
Okay. What happens? I'll just spin out?
Yeah, they'll just loop it.
I guess, and there's like no e-brake to save my sorry ass.
Well, the e-brake works well.
Really?
Yep.
I've never
second
used like
gear,
a
second gear e-brake in. That's what I would do.
I've never like used like a stock handbrake.
Just clutch in, obviously.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, it does. I can't even see the cones.
I told you, it's not easy to drive.
Forgot. It's got a lot of grip.
It has a ton of grip.
That I was not expecting.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm more or less scared to blow this kit apart with a cone.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Because there's a lot of roguey conies. It's also pitch black out. Where's the cones and all my glasses?
Now, power.
I think I hit like a limiter or something.
You're good. You want me to do one lap for you?
No, I got that.
Okay.
I'm just really scared to hit a cone.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Now, floor it. Power, 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 power.
Yeah, you gotta carry,
It's tough, man.
it's hard.
Not
You
an easy
really
car
gotta
to
carry
drive.
momentum in this thing.
Yeah. Don't do that.
You knew what I was gonna do.
Yeah, I
too.
knew exactly what you were gonna fucking do.
Hey.
That was good, dog. It's just super twitchy when it transitions that way, so I wasn't even doing it. Good job, dog.
Is your 90 this hard to drive?
No, my 90 drives like a Lamborghini.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the funniest thing I've heard. All right, well, at least it was kind of stupid, but at least I got to say I drifted a jzx100.
No, it's sick, man.
Yeah.
It's sick. Yeah.
I'll wait until this car's a little bit more of a shitter, then I'll come back and drift it more.
Hell yeah. Yeah, just let him crash it first.
Yeah, which will be the first time he... I see, Adam doesn't crash on accident. Adam only crashes on purpose.
Yeah. Sick.
Sick. All right, sorry to ramble on up today. So, as you guys saw, I was pretty frustrated, which is never fun, but still had an amazing day. I'm so thankful to be out here and to be a part of all of this. Huge shout out to Adam for putting this on. Like, I cannot thank him enough. This is amazing. Though the car didn't work the way I really wanted it to, it was just so cool to be around so many awesome people. And I mean, it's a Monday. We're drifting a private session on a track with a bunch of awesome people. Like, who gets to do that? And I'm so thankful for that. And so thankful for you guys for watching, especially the guys who made it through the video this far, because it's probably a really crappy video. But tomorrow we're supposed to be going to the drag strip, and I don't know if I'm going to try to drag the car or not. It would be funny to know what it makes, but I'll probably end up breaking an axle. Who knows? Maybe I'll do it. Damn, look how good this thing looks. I don't know, I'll probably do it. So with that, I'm gonna end it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys probably tomorrow.